Hi everyone, I am Fiona. In this video, we will explain how to start up the EPS underfloor heating panel, laminating machine process step by step. Turn the machine to manual state. Turn on the power switch. Turn on the heating switch button and wait for 15-20 minutes until the furnace to be heated to set temperature stability. Turn on the vacuum pump button. Turn the knob from manual to automatic mode. Press the furnace in and out. Turn on the knife gate master switch on. Now the whole normal startup steps are over. Tip: turn the gate switch and open the gate to observe the heating status of the PS film with eyes. If the heating is completed in advance, you can press the button of pull in advance button to accelerate the production speed of the first cycle. For more information on the EPS machine and EPS mold, please contact us by email or mobile. We will be happy to answer your questions.